Hi everyone, welcome to another Gluten-Free Cooking with Dad. This week I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So this process was slightly different this week. So I realised I videoed the content so you can see that, but there's none of me talking over it. So it's a little bit different. I put some music to it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. Just get a quick shot of my garden and the gleaming sunshine. So enjoy the video. See how these cookies look. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Squishy.